Good morning to everybody. I just arrived in Krabi Town from Phuket and going to check into my hotel. I need to find it in the first place, and I guess this is somewhere here. The weather is perfect, to be honest, like in Phuket. There is not such a big difference between Krabi and Phuket. It's only 180 kilometers, so the weather is the same. By the way, in Krabi Town you can find halal food. Many people here are Muslims, so you can meet them everywhere. No, thank you. I found it. This is my hotel, City Hotel. So let's go and check in. Okay. 5th floor. Didn't get enough sleep yesterday, plus I had to wake up early. Hello. 533. This way. Thank you, thank you. Wow, it's pretty big. Let's check this out. You can take a shower. Very big room. And the bed, it's like king size, I think. And it cost me only $8 for a night. That's pretty cheap, to be honest, for such a big room. Anyway, I'll unpack my stuff and rest a little bit. Just bought this green mango tea with ice, which is really perfect during exploration. So you need something to drink because it's really hot.
Anyway, for now my plan is to find something to eat for my lunch, and after that I'll continue my exploration of this beautiful place. There are so many small cafes and restaurants here that I think it wouldn't be such a big problem to find something to eat here. Anyway, let's go in and have a look.
Hello, can I have a minute? Thank you. So, what do we have here? I want something not so spicy, I guess.
I think I need to try traditional Thai cuisine here. So let's have a look what this cafe has to offer.
Okay, my friends, I finally found a great place to eat a very popular soup, Tom Yum. Just look at this. I ordered with seafood, which is incredible. Wow, the smell is so delicious. Oh, what do we have here?
I think it has all sea ingredients in here, plus lots of vegetables and of course special Thai spices, which make the smell so unique and yummy.
Very good. I can't wait to try it. Let's give it a shot. Wow. The taste is a little bit of sour, a little bit of spicy, and the broth is just incredible. I love it. I love it. And this is just rice, so you can have it.
I think rice goes with every meal here.
And the price for such a great tom yum, just 100 baht, which is not so expensive, to be honest. I love it, I love it. Let's try this one. Very well done. What is this?
It tastes like
A root from a tree. I'm not sure what it is this. It's ginger. It's very spicy. Delicious. I didn't have breakfast, so that's why I'm so hungry. It's really good. After such a great dinner or breakfast, whatever it is, right now it's almost lunch, I'll definitely have more power to explore the Krabi town. So let's do it. And it's pretty beautiful. Do you work every day here?
Yes,
Okay.
but only Friday weekends.
Oh,
Some water.
oh yes. Thank you, thank you.
That's for 800.
Oh,
It's 75 baht and 800 for bread.
okay. Thank you guys. It was really yummy. Okay. Bye bye. See you.